Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change currency on Steam. If you've recently moved to another country, are traveling, or your Steam store is showing prices in the wrong currency, this quick method will help you update your Steam store region and currency the correct way. The best part is that you can do it directly during checkout, and Steam will automatically switch the currency for you once it detects the correct payment location. I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your store region safely without running into common errors. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam tips, gaming tutorials, and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. Before changing your Steam currency, there's one important requirement you need to know. Steam only allows currency changes when you are physically located in the new country or when you are using a payment method issued in that country. This means your payment method must match the country you want to switch to. Steam does this to prevent store region abuse and to make sure pricing is applied correctly. So if you recently moved or are visiting another country and have a local payment method available, you're good to go. Now the first step is to open Steam and go to the Steam store. Once you're in the store, search for any game you want. It doesn't have to be something you actually plan to buy, since this step is mainly used to trigger the region detection. When you find a game, click on it and then click the Add to Cart button. This will place the game into your Steam shopping cart. Next, go to your cart by clicking the cart icon in the top right corner of the Steam store. When you open the cart or proceed toward checkout, Steam will check your current location and payment method. If Steam detects that your payment method belongs to a different country than your current store region, it will show a message asking if you want to update your store country. At this point, you'll see an option to update your Steam store region. Confirm the change and continue through the checkout process using the payment method from the new country. Once the purchase step is confirmed, Steam will automatically update your store region and convert the store prices to the new local currency. From that moment on, all games in the Steam store will appear in the new currency tied to that country. One quick tip is that you don't need to frequently switch regions. Steam may restrict repeated changes, so it's best to only update your currency when you have legitimately moved or are permanently located in another country. Keeping your region accurate also helps avoid any potential account restrictions, and that's it. That's how to change currency on Steam quickly and correctly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Steam tutorials and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.